My name is Sharkar Begum. I'm here today for reflective analysis of my digital learning portfolio. If I look back to my personal statement at the beginning of this semester, I find here my vision, that is to inspire my students to internalize the knowledge that shapes their future through the inclusive learning culture. Now I'll show you how my vision came true and developed over the past 10 months. Week 3, I came across knowing UGL and Universal Design Learning and differentiated structure. I see these two powerful teaching strategies intersect each other at a certain point where, as a teacher, I find it very effective to challenge the broad scope of students in classrooms and also contribute to making the class inclusion focusing on equity rather equality. Then I realized I already moved a step ahead towards my vision. In week 4, I had created here an infographic of residential schools that gave me a transparency. Why is it important that educators understand the critical importance of the tragic history of Indigenous children in Canada? I believe as a teacher I can help make truth and reconciliation a reality and contribute to move the next generation toward in creating a fairer and inclusive culture. We are responsible to right the wrongs of the past and inspire our students to seek equity and social justice. That takes time. Week 7 here, I was talked about the classroom management, and I'm really inspired by these 3 F's: firm, fair, and friendly, that can be connected with inclusivity. I have learned the ways to make it work in the classroom by knowing my students and their interests, ask for student feedback, and spread positivity. That is all about equity and inclusivity in the classroom. If we move forward to the week 9, here I was talking about the inclusivity connection with the ethical standards and how it looks like in my classroom. In my classroom, learning will be accessible to all students, considering the basic adjustments along with trust, integrity, respect, and care that can make the classroom even more inclusive. As a teacher, we need to make a fair connection between the ethical standards to the inclusivity, support the students with or without the special needs academically, socially, and emotionally under the same umbrella. Now I'll get back to my vision statement to the beginning of this semester and look over again my vision to inspire my students to internalize the knowledge that shapes their future through the inclusive learning culture. I believe I owe it. Hopefully enjoy it. Thank you.